Alright guys, I hope you can hear me well. I'm using this external Bluetooth hands-free for the mic. I hope it turns out good. So I soaked it many times now, and I'm waiting for it still to drain. It's apparently soaking up a lot of water, so I know I drilled a lot of holes. So next, what we're going to do is to put on the mulch. So let's see. Oh, I can't find my gloves. So we're gonna have to use these. So it's got a bit chillier. I put on the thicker jacket, and it's the wind is blowing, and yeah, it's quite late now. All right, let's see, now we're gonna train, baby. Ooh, this is going to be hard to move. I have to move it over there. So it's got shade most of the day from this beautiful cherry tree, Prunus avium, which is blooming right now. I'm going to show you later. That's where all these flowers are from, like the one here, and the whole ground is covered with them white flowers. So the mulch I'll be using is my own composted wood chips. So it's prunings from the hedge. It's Larix decidua. I don't know the common name in English, but Larix decidua is the Latin name. And yeah, the other chips here is also Thuja occidentalis, cultivar Brabant. It's also from the hedge, so it's nicely composted. You can see here it's partially broken down, very nice, and I'm pretty sure I got some earthworms in there too. So let's mulch the little guy up, move him to his spot, and then open him up and take a look how he looks. And guys, don't worry about putting the mulch up against the trunk. In habitat they get buried, both in soil and mulch. Young palms that have split leaflets, so they got a palmate frond with leaflets. They are so buried in the soil because there are monsoons over there and the whole trunk gets buried, so only the new growth was visible, and the spear was poking essentially from the ground. So don't worry about it. I know what plant that is. Maybe I should use it just to see what it is. I was curious of what grows, and if it's something I don't want, I just mulch it down. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now, let the earthworms crawl down, and then I'm gonna press it down with the mulch, because you can see there's earthworms everywhere here. I'm gonna move it into place and then I'm gonna show you. Very good. I'm clean. I can handle the camera. Alright guys. So here's the guy. I'm gonna show you this was heavy. See the earthworms. A bunch of them here. I turned it. I already crawled back. That was quick. Oh, that was really quick. I even saw 2 of them. Wow. That's great. Alright, so I'm going to place this here somewhere on my tripod with 2 feet. I can't wait to get the new one. Let's see if I can get it steady enough here. Oh, you guys see that? You don't see that very well, do you? Let's just adjust this. Like that. Alright, that's good enough. Let's open it. Whoa. Alright guys, so here he is. The leaves will gradually, the fronds will gradually open up. Let's see here what we have. We can get a nice focus there. So, you can start with the trunk creep. Let's see if I can get this a little bit more manageable like that. So trunk creep, you can see probably originated all the way here, right here. And crypt, you can see the trunk creeping, and then forming. You can see the tomentum. That's that fuzz on the petioles as well. New spears coming. There's actually 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth is already opening right there. Let me just, ooh, don't cut me, baby. Okay. Straighten you out a bit here. I want you very nice. Oh, I love these palms. I really do love them. Alright, let's see here if we can. You can see here when they got delivered, it was very sunny, so it was a good thing they were closed up like that, because it protected from the harsh sun. You can see here it's nice and green. And just look at that spear. I mean, it's a monster. And there is another one coming there, and then you saw it was 2 more, so it's really healthy, looking, beautiful. It's beautiful. I wish you could see it in person. I mean, it was just amazing. Let me get some of those white flowers there for you. Let's extend this little tripod thingy. Let's see if we can get a nice shot here with flowers. Maybe for a thumbnail. Let's end the video. Like that maybe, yeah. Nice. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be potting up these SB Kumauns now. That's another story. So here's one more takil. And one more there. Nice little trunks. And we got one more there. A nice little trunky. You can see there are a few very nice specimens. Oh, I'm so happy. It's like Christmas 20 times. Let's see the creep on that one. Alright guys, happy growing, and yeah, I hope you like this video, and please do subscribe. I'm just starting out again with publishing videos. I got a bunch of videos that are coming out on a more regular basis as soon as I have opened up the company. So and if you can't remember the name of the company, it's TSPE, Tropical Solutions, Palms and Exotics, and we grow these in southern Sweden. It's USDA growing zone 7A bordering to 7B, and it's 55 degrees north latitude. Okay guys, I hope this wasn't too shaky of a video trying this new app. Alright, bye.